KCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Ki nongelam jong ke Hill Farmers Union kila syakot banyak simbentalang ha kecingelang jong ki nongelam ki nongrep Hari India ka bansalong hatiwari bhawan Deen Dayal Upadhyaya March ITO New Delhi Hagani kecingelang ki nongelam na ki jilna bapher ki balapoi palat ar spangut na ki ar potli ki jilna kila pensngo ila ki jong ki nongrep kumta hagani kecing kendo lang jong ki nongrep la menjur ba hakawai ka lama jong ke minimum support price guarantee kisan morcha an penbor ke sarkar India ban pentrei kamno mardor ya ke minimum support price na ke benta ke jing mentoy jong ki nongrep kani ke jing ya khun ban yo ya ke minimum support price hagani ke kenti kan long da ke jing terli lang jong baro ki nongrep na ki jilna ba pher ki badan Hari India baro kawai bat kinto guru kerpang ya ki nongrep napo kathan chatai lam mi ni
more so the farming community of the Northeast. I'm very happy to tell you that on 22nd of March, we had a meeting in Delhi of almost about 200 organizations from 20 states, including friends from Meghalaya. Commander was there, Alfred was there, from the Shillong Hill Union, and we all decided that the entire farming community of the country requires minimum support price. So therefore we created and established MSP Guarantee Kisan Morcha on that date. We made coordinators for almost 20 states, and the entire gathering requested Commander and Alfred Bert to take care of the northeastern states as coordinators, and they have been appointed so. You see, it normally happens. Northeastern states are taken for granted. Any policy that is framed, nobody even takes into account what is the requirement of northeastern states. This time what we want to do is, we want to check out what is the requirement there for the farming community. Any agitation, you have to lead, you have to be part of it. Therefore, on 14th of May, I'm going to be there myself, along with our coordinators there. We have two coordinators there. Normally we have one coordinator in the state. Now we have two, Commander and Alfred Bert. We are going to be there on the 14th of May and have a meeting with all the states of the northeastern part of the country and decide as to what we can bring to the table when we come to Delhi for the meeting on 6th, 7th and 8th of October to decide the future course of action. By then, you also take care as to what is the requirement and what is needed to be done from your side and from our side. I hope the interaction between the farming community of the rest of the country and the northeastern states is going to be bringing in a lot of benefit to the northeastern states. I wish you all the best. Minimum support prices for any crop, when we produce the crop, the production cost depends on the price at which we buy the inputs. Diesel is a major input. We buy at the rate fixed by the government, which is the maximum retail price, not a minimum price. Fertilizer, maximum retail price. Pesticide, maximum retail price. Labor, minimum labor fixed by the government. Electricity, rate fixed by the government. When government fixes a maximum price for itself, it is also fixing a minimum price for the farmers, that under this price it will not be profitable. At least this price must be given to the farmers. It's called minimum support price, supporting the farmer with the minimum price, not the maximum price. We don't even get that. So our fight today is that the minimum price must be given to every farmer in the country, and not just for any, they only have MSP for 23 crops, which hardly benefits people in the northeast. We want for all the fruits, all the vegetables, milk, fishery, poultry, dairy, everything that has to do with farming, dairy farming, cattle farming, etc., and all. So therefore the advantage is, what nobody can buy for less than the minimum support price. If somebody buys it for less, he is penalized. There is a criminal charge against him. Like petrol, diesel, you can't buy for less than the common rate today, can you? Then why should somebody buy for less than 8 than us? That's the advantage of minimum support price. If that is done, every farmer will benefit by at least 10 to 15,000 rupees per acre per year. And ultimately, all that is going to be rounded up for the economy. If we have 4 lakh crore rupees extra, as you know, farmers don't keep the money in their own pockets, in their banks. They go to the market. Market will prop up. When Mr. Modi says 5 trillion economy, we'll be playing a helping hand. Give us the money, we'll buy it. Otherwise, whatever you make in the MSMEs, etc., you'll produce, but who'll buy it? The purchasing power has to be in the hands of the farmers. That is why minimum support price guarantee is essential.
Kani ka minimum support price hi kadai hapo gajing pen gajing mi jung ka sarkar India na takadaw nakalingjungi kum ka Hilfama Union mi suthu ya kata takadaw ngi kwa ba trilang rengkat bat kiseng norep jung kari India hi bro kawai namar na kapor sipor ngi laju kran ka sarkar jela dan ka sarkar jela ka penpau ya gajing ya bat trikam minimum support price de ka syong ha ka sarkar India de menta ngi layo ya kene ka kunhun ka babiang na ka menta bangin penbor ka sarkar India baka de menteri kami ke minimum support price. Pikai kecing mentoi jong ni ka minimum support price kalong ba hateng kum kinong rep haba ngila rep ngila tresitom ngasu ai nuksa teng haba ka jing ka bai bela ka bai sbo nang ta ka bai sembai bat kiwi kecing dot hakapor bangirap lese kum ka nuksa ka poi ka shipo tingka de teng hakapor bangidi teng ka poi hadun riu tingka nyeu tingka pra tingka kamut ka kadon ke jingdu nong hado artingka lai tingka dan nagling jungi kum kaseng rengkat bat kiseng norep ke India ngikwa ba lakumno habangi ni don ni kene ka minimum support price kamut lada ka jingdut ke jingsep ke jungi kalong shipo tingka de kan nom dei ban hiar syapo lada dunadu ro kadi ban long khat artingka khat lai tingka dan rei kadi ban kiu pada sajrong kata kam don limit dan rei ni oi ka minimum kamut naka shipo kam dei ban hiar syapo lada ka jingdut jungi kalong shipo dan rei kala lada ka kiu khat lai kala ban kiu hadu lai ko so ko kata kalong gejing mentoi nam ta kinong rep dan rei ban ong ban hiar syapo kanum la ban long namar lada kinong rep gijungi kisange no ban rep de mano pada ban sabam ya kejela ba je kari kajing wan jungi sine delhi kadai namanta kawai kadau namanta kawai ke issue ba kata kadai halor kaneka minimum support price lane kata ka dor kamur kaban support lane kaban yaram kaban nomdon ke jingdu nong hakabang idi ya kimarian jongi kibangi ni pemi na kejela de nakalian jongi ni ki seng nongrep hapo kari India hi pro kawai hapo ke jingilam jong PM Singh kilakot lang ini nam ta bani don benta hakani ke jingilang ju kinongrep ju kari India hi pro kawai de ngisudun bok bat ong ba hakajing sha nakalian jong ngaru nganai guwe lagi konbinar ban perlong ya kaneka meeting juga seng nong rep juga India hi bro kawai haga jingilang ke ba ngilalong hakane ka sengi ke baladap ngilaya tai shibun kiman dan rei ke wei na ki benta ke ba kumangalong ipi bengi kred halot kene ka minimum support price nakling jong baro hiki nong rep ki bawan ban mikman na ki nong yalam juga seng nong rep hakar India hi bro kawai kibu ya keju kathong kidon ya keju kathong kata kalong bandawa na ka sarkar India baka dai ban pentrikam ya ka minimum support price kumba kalong menta haka ri India hi kini ka minimum support price kalong tangi ki katto kani ki tangi katto kani ki mar wat kataro kampat dei pada ka ain ka baklan ngila ban ong ha ka shikentin ka ain ka baklem benian namar kampat dei ka ain lane bala itu lane bala wanra apolok sabha dari kani tang ka executive order ha ka ba kila syuong ba putri kami ka minimum support price nagleng jungi kum ke kunhun nong rap hi chokar India hi bro kawai ban nagleng jungi ba mikmat ik Hill Farmer Union ladawa ba ngidei ban dawa nak surkar India badai kedai ban long legalize no ya kene ka an badai ban itu no da ka an ha ka bi dei ba minimum support price badai ban kentu bro ya ki babun teli ki weipat ki jingmi lane ki jingri ki jingdo ha ka hapo ka minimum support price namar kumba kalong kum kanuksa hapo ke jela ke jungi u don tang u IWR ki ba kentu hapo ke MSP kum uri hadam de nakleng jungi ngi kwa ba wat ya kadot wat ya ki wei jingmi ki bapen mi nak ri jungi ru de ban kentu pelang hapo ka MSP de hakabe de ba kene ngi smutu ba kum ban penklan ya kene jingdawa kenang bekas surkar India kala ban putrikam de larai ha meeting ban jit ya kini ki convener ki ban long ki coordinator ha man la ki jela de nakabanta ka than chete lamingi la jet yanga ba di ba alfon bat kasentiu bakin long kum ki coordinator namanta ka than not is borok away de hadin kane ngin sa perlong ke jingalang bat ki nogrep jung dong mi ngi hi borok away bat ngin sadon biang ka jingye kendo ang ni hapo Delhi hau benai me ban ya thir shu halor kene kamat bat ha menta usnam hi ngin sa perlong ke jingalang ka bahe biang ni Delhi nakabanta ban penpau ban bore ka surkar India maka di ban putri kambej ya ke MSP ka MSP hi ka di bandon bej kumbang ladawa te ka syong pada ka government of India dari ka syong ru ka sur jungi gunor rap pada ka jingdawa ka jungi ka klan ngai scam surkar India ru kan persengo te henry nakleng jungi kum ka seng ngin saya perkhat ru ha ka biadai bat kini ka jingyo nong ka balong kam hadin kum ka nuksa ngidon ya ki jing penmi let's say kum ya ushenrai lani so merit cloud lani ya kaso ya so turun pat kiwei de menta ngin kleng jingi habnya tai bahaya kene pi menta ku muso turun ngiladi kum tu let's say arpo dingka wei lani khatsan dingka wei ne laipo dingka wei kidon pada ki company kiba hadin bakila de di ya tu ya ka umso ajumu hadin bala de proses bah laban di no kipai ba let's say katu ku company ka kamyo nong kambun banya une unong rap te menta keladai kapor hakaba nakleng jungi kum kiseng norap ngi di bandon la jong ka kunhun ngi di bandon la ka FPO kenang bangila bandawa ya ka bayo nong na final product ke bala penmi la ne ke bala shna da kanu no company namar bali ngiran ka hok bandawa ya kata mar uni original product la ne udai u penmi na per jungi te hakaji sha ngi la dai ban yo lang ya ke revenue na kata kaban sa dino la ne bansa consume da kipai ba de kani kawai na kimat lada ka ngila la banle e kani da jing tali kan long shisha da jing mentoi na ka menta jungi ki nongrep ke jelab ke India hi pro kawai kum kanuksa pe kum upan menta niadi kador ka bahamtat ya upan dan rek lada ngithit mangi pada yo lies hakpor mangi bam tam shipo dingkal se tam wei dan naga tu na final product ngi ngila dai banyo revenue nang tu dan riya kan ngila putri kamtang la ngila ada cooperative society ngidon da kenhun bat ngila ngangai skam mangindon gejing ngila putri kami kan na markin sadon ki wi pat ki company ki banthir sibuk ki ongim tre thir tekin sadon da ki wi pat ki company de nang takadaw ya kanero ngin sia tai pha ngangai skam kane ka kan long gejing yo nong mangala ong bat ngi skam bala da ngila ya teli ngi nong rap ngin sayo revenue na final product ba company ba pero